Today we are looking at the 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 in Obsidian Black metallic. This 7-seater SUV is powered by a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 with EQ boost, paired with a 9G Tronic automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we're going to look at are these beautiful black perforated leather seats. These seats contain heating in the second row, as well as heating and ventilation in the front row. Throughout the interior, you'll notice many premium options, such as leather-wrapped interior trim, these wooden accent panels, and ambient lighting throughout the cabin. Your steering wheel holds your controls for cruise control, media and volume control, phone calls, and your controls for your digital gauge cluster and infotainment screen. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find your shifter, windshield wiper controls, and your digital gauge cluster, which holds things such as the odometer, vehicle information, and much more. Attached to your gauge cluster is your media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in MBUX infotainment system. Below this, you'll find your climate control settings. Below, you'll find a wireless charging pad and 2 USB-C charging ports. In the center are controls for your infotainment system and your drive mode selector. Your center console offers loads of room for storage, as well as a USB-C charging port. On the left-hand side, you'll find your controls for your power seats, windows, locks, and mirrors. Behind your steering wheel, you'll find your controls for your heated steering wheel setting and your adjustments. As we take a look at this sleek Obsidian Black exterior, we'll notice these 5-spoke alloy wheels. This GLS also comes with tinted windows and roof rails. Heading to the back, this GLS is also equipped with a tow package, which includes the trailer receiving hitch. With the touch of a button, we can release our power liftgate, showcasing the cargo area. This cargo area comes with controls on the right and left side, and with the touch of a button, we can lower that third row and second row to extend even more cargo room. As we jump into the back seat, your rear passengers are greeted with plenty of legroom, as well as the option to adjust these rear seats with controls in the door. In the center, your rear passengers also have their own climate control and USB-C charging ports. The middle seat contains pull-down cup holders. These seats are also split in a 60-40 fashion, which means with the touch of a lever on both sides, these seats move forward, allowing for ease of access for your third row passengers. The third row also contains 2 USB-C charging ports on both sides and cup holders. This GLS comes with the AMG exterior package, which means premium wheels and the AMG line exterior grille. Let's take a look at these multi-beam LED headlights, allowing for a brighter, safer drive. And that is the 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 in Obsidian Black, located at Wolfe, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, and we'll be happy to help.